Good morning students, have a beautiful day. Now we completed in first lesson unit 1 measurement. Okay, now we see first lesson book work. Okay, all of you take your science book and open the page number 9, Roman letter 1. Choose the best answer. First question 1. Which one the following system of units is British system of units? இப்போ எது வந்து பிரிட்டிஷ் சிஸ்டம் ஆஃப் யூனிட்ஸ்னு கேட்குறாங்க. ஆப்ஷன் ஏ சிஜிஎஸ் சிஸ்டம், ஆப்ஷன் பி எம்கேஎஸ் சிஸ்டம், ஆப்ஷன் சி எஃபிஎஸ் சிஸ்டம், ஆப்ஷன் டி எஸ்ஐ சிஸ்டம். விச் சிஸ்டம்? எஸ், வெரி குட். ஆப்ஷன் சி எஃபிஎஸ் சிஸ்டம் இஸ் ஏ பிரிட்டிஷ் சிஸ்டம். ஓகே, all of you take it your book, mark your book ma. Next is second question. Electric current is a dash quantity. Option A base quantity, option B supplementary, option C derived, option D professional. Electric current is a dash quantity. Option A base, option B supplementary, option C derived, option D professional. Yes, very good. Option A base. SI unit of temperature is dash. Option A Celsius, option B Fahrenheit, option C Kelvin, option D ampere. Again one time I read the question. SI unit of temperature is dash. Yes, very good. Option C Kelvin is a correct answer. Okay, fourth one. Luminous intensity is the intensity of dash. Luminous intensity is the intensity of dash. Option A laser light, option B UV light, option C visible light, option D IR light. Okay, again one time read the question ma. Luminous intensity is the intensity of dash. Yes, option C visible light. Fifth one. Closeness of two or more measured values is called as dash. Option A accuracy, option B precision, option C error, option D approximation. Again one time I read the question ma. Closeness of two or more measured values is called as dash. Option A accuracy, option B precision, option C error, option D approximation. Very good. Option A is a correct answer, accuracy. Sixth question. Which one of the following statement is wrong? Which one of the following statement is wrong? Approximation, option A approximation give accurate value. Option B approximation simplify the calculation. Option C approximation is very useful then little information is available. Option D approximation gives the nearest value only. Again one time I read ma. Which one of the following statement is wrong? Option A approximation gives a accurate value. Option B approximation simplify the calculation. Approximation is very useful when little information is available. Option D approximation give the nearest value only. Yes, very good. Option A is the correct answer. Approximation gives accurate value. Next, Roman letter 2, fill in the blanks. All of you write the book ma. The solid angle is measured in dash. The solid angle is measured in dash. Steradian. Second one, the closeness or hotness, the coldness or hotness of substance expired by dash. The coldness or hotness of a substance is expressed by dash, temperature. Third one, dash is used to measure electric current. Ammeter. Dash is used to measure electric current, ammeter. 1 mole of a substance contain dash atoms or molecules. 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 atoms or molecules. Fourth question, 1 mole of a substance contain dash atoms or molecules. 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. Next, the uncertainty in measurement is called as dash. Errors. The uncertainty in measurement is called as error. The closeness of the measured value to the original value is dash. Accuracy. The closeness of the measured value to the original value is accuracy. Seventh question, the intersection of two straight lines gives us dash. Plane angle. The intersection of two straight lines gives us dash. Plane angle. Okay, next one, third, Roman letter third, state true or false. If false, correct the statement. First question, temperature is a measurement of total kinetic energy of the particles in a system. Temperature is a measure of total kinetic energy of the particles in a system. False. Answer is false. Second question, if 1 coulomb of charge is flowing in 1 minute is called as ampere. Second question, if 1 coulomb of charge is flowing in 1 minute, it is called as temperature. Yes, this is false. Third question, amount of substance give the number of particles present in a substance. Amount of substance gives the number of particles present in a substance. Yes, this is true. Fourth one, intensity of light coming from a candle is approximately equal to 1 candela. This is one true. 1 candela. This is one true. Next, quartz clocks are used in GPS drives. False. Quartz clocks are used in GPS drives is false. Analog. Sixth question, angle formed at the top of a coin is an example for plane angle. Sixth question, angle formed at the top of a coin is an example for plane angle. False. Seventh question, the number 4.5382 can be rounded off as 4.58. The number of 4.582 can be rounded off as 4.58. Yes, this is true. Nearest value. Okay, next one, match the following. Temperature. Measure or hotness or coldness. Very good. Plane angle. Yes, very good. Angle formed by the intersection of two planes. Next is solid angle. Angle formed by the intersection of 3 or more planes. Accuracy. Closeness to the accurate value. Closeness to the accurate value. Precision. Closeness to 2 or more measurement. Closeness to 2 or more measurement. Okay. Thank you, Kutis. Now we completed book work. Already I was given class work. Okay. Now I give book back questions. Now we write classwork note. Thank you, cuties.